Hello friends, in this video, I will show you how to draw a line properly. So once you draw a line using insert and shape, so as we can see, it's not in proper center. Once you try to make it center, but sometimes you are not able to draw in center. So method is to draw a proper horizontal line. Select it, press shift key and hold. Now draw. So you can draw a proper line like this. See, press and hold shift key and draw it. That's it. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel. Guys, there are some more methods. You can change this line color, style, size and so much options here.